acting on complaints received from residents regarding the presence of non-local workers allegedly operating without valid documentation in Lawmali area in Shillong. The Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Shillong City Unit conducted a raid in the area today. During the operation, the organization found several individuals reportedly engaged in work without proper papers. The workers were subsequently evicted from the locality by members of the organization. Addressing the media, Organizing Secretary Pinchingan Nongrum called upon contractors to ensure due verification and proper documentation of non-local laborers prior to their engagement. He emphasized that adherence to legal norms is essential to prevent such incidents.
Mentah kasi ina kaliang ka Hito Shillong City bat hagajing dan kat lang jong presiden nang kuar unit bat working president dong Shillong City rengkat lang bat kita kat nilawan mentah kasi hane ako Lawmali ba niyo komplain pat ba kita mender bateri hane dalam kat keselah biang nakaliang jong ni keseng ni ho nilawan nilap sisai kata bagi dan pereng di berkembang kat keselah kita biang kita sangat rengut ke membiang na cui kentu ya kinong wanyalam tam kini di kontraktor ba abap di wanyalam semua bahan biang kat keselah ke biang kemudian warlesan bat ini di police verification nomor nada kem ke police verification tu yang keren baik agak masyai ba nakapur ke jinja ke don baik ke harassment kini kita ke don baik ke kemudian di police verification ba nang la dikile ru long ba kinsuk tam keyboard yang kaay tam kulit kisuk bakin kuat nang ne sa tay mo